Would you look at that? There's rabbits playing on the railway and yet there's a train coming. Where are they? They jumped out of the way. Oh, there's one. I hope we don't get run over. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel where I visit and film trains at. Today we are at South Gyle station, and the trains that serve this station run on the Fife Circle line between Edinburgh Waverly and places such as Cowdenbeath, Glenrothes with Thornton, Kirkcaldy, Dundee, Perth, Aberdeen and Inverness. And in this direction we will have trains running towards Edinburgh Waverly, with the next stop being Haymarket before Edinburgh. And in the other direction we have trains running towards elsewhere on the Fife Circle towards Perth and that, with the next stop being Edinburgh Gateway. And I hope you enjoy this video. Now departing is 158734 going to Glenrothes with Thornton from Edinburgh Waverly on to Golf 77. And its next stop is Edinburgh Gateway. Now about to pass through is a Class 170 going from Dundee to Edinburgh on 1 Lima 42. (17415). Its next stop is Haymarket. Now about to pass through is a Class 170 running 1 Bravo 84 from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverly. And it's passing through at line speed by the looks of it. (17429) and thanks for the horn. Now about to pass through non-stop is another Class 170 going from Edinburgh Waverly to Dundee on 1 Lima 21. (17394) and 17404. Now about to pass through is yet another Class 170 running 2 Golf 83 from Edinburgh to Cowdenbeath. (17428). Now about to pass through is a Class 158 running 2 Golf 38 from Cowdenbeath to Edinburgh Waverly. (158.733) and thank you for the tone. Now back to pass through is a ScotRail HST set. This is running 1 Alpha 89 from Edinburgh Waverly to Aberdeen. The numbers were 43176, and I couldn't get the numbers in the front. Now arriving is 1 Lima 82 158 running from Perth to Edinburgh. Right behind me is 17395 going from Edinburgh to Perth and 1 Lima 91. So 158,709 is on the rear of 1 Lima 91, and on 1 Lima 82 is 17738. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll make more videos like these, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye everyone.